Today we're visiting Embraer Museum. It's the Aeronautics Museum.
Yeah.
Brazilian one.
A lot of it is in Portuguese. Amanda will be explaining most of the things.
But anyway, so this is the second aircraft made by Bandeirantes. It's the father of Embraer, the fortified aircraft.
It's like a... There's a step. This is like a private plane almost.
Yeah, it's very old.
There's the cockpit. There's what? Bandeirantes? Bandeirantes. It's pretty much the forefather of Embraer.
68.
What?
1968 when it was flying.
Oh wow.
It's a time machine.
The first car made to run with ethanol. Alcohol.
Okay.
Here we make the project of the aircraft. Then we test it
Certificamos.
and we certify it.
Okay. Nice.
Não é só avião não, tá? E os
They test all of this.
Abastecimento de voo.
Putting fuel during a flight. Eu não sei as ordens.
Não. Hoje nós somos 10 institutos, mas vamos ter mais apoio.
Trying to translate, but I'm struggling to understand.
But we're right next to pretty much the headquarters of Embraer here in Brazil. So that's pretty cool. Although we can't really see what's happening inside. That's where they build the aircraft, the Embraers. In South Africa I worked on Embraers for a year. So it's pretty cool to see where they're actually manufactured.
Don't forget, Brazilians created the first aircraft. Okay?
We're on our way back home now, and we've now come to a little pit stop called
Frango assado.
Frango assado.
It's the place we used to stop by the road every time we went to the beach with my family since I was little.
Nice.
And I can smell the bread already. It's so
Yeah.
nice.
Gonna be lekker. I think we're gonna get ice cream. Oh yeah.